Welcome back, ambitious founders and innovative minds. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the art of tailoring your pitch deck to two influential audiences in the startup ecosystem: angel investors and venture capitalists. Get ready to unleash the power of customization and captivate these key players with your pitch. Imagine stepping into a room with an angel investor. Your pitch deck isn't just a presentation, it's your chance to tell a mesmerizing story, your story. Angel investors are not only looking for killer ideas, they invest in passionate people with undeniable potential. So, when you're in front of them, get ready to weave a narrative that showcases your thrilling journey, the burning problem you're determined to solve, and how your unique insights birthed your game-changing startup. Now, let's shift gears to the venture capitalist universe. VCs hunger for scalable businesses that promise extraordinary returns on investment. Here, your pitch deck transforms from a personal narrative into an awe-inspiring showcase of market analysis, explosive growth potential, and undeniable traction. It's time to bring out the big guns: numbers, scalability, and your strategic plan for seizing the market. Don't worry, your story still matters, but it's the data and potential for astronomical growth that will truly steal the show. But wait, regardless of the audience, remember one thing: clarity and engagement will be your secret weapons. Imagine your slides as superheroes bursting onto the scene, captivating attention with their simplicity and visual appeal. Each slide has a purpose in your narrative, and you'll wield them strategically. For angel investors, emphasize the human element. Showcase your extraordinary team's expertise, unwavering commitment, and the tremendous impact your startup aims to make. For VCs, it's time to put the spotlight on the mind-blowing scalability of your business model, the rocket-like trajectory of your market traction, and detailed financial projections that prove you're on a clear path to profitability. But remember, in every pitch, confidence will be your superpower. Whether you're appealing to an angel investor's desire to embark on an epic startup journey or a venture capitalist's hunger for a mind-blowing exit, your unwavering confidence in your vision can move mountains. So, suit up, practice your pitch until it becomes second nature, anticipate the questions that may come your way, and be prepared to adapt your presentation based on the hidden cues from your audience. You're about to take the stage and blow everyone away. In conclusion, tailoring your pitch deck goes beyond a mere slide makeover. It's about igniting a spark within your audience, convincing them not only to believe in your groundbreaking idea, but also to believe in you, the unstoppable force behind it. Now, it's time to reveal your game plan. How will you adapt your pitch for your next meeting with an angel investor or VC? Share your electrifying strategies, and let's continue to learn from each other's remarkable experiences. Get ready to unleash the wow factor and make every pitch an unforgettable performance.